Hello, everyone. Today is Thursday, March 9th, 2023. It is 1:42 p.m. Afternoon session. I don't think that there's going to be that much more movement today. I just made a small profit in Q today. Wanted to share with you. Also, I took a very small loss in Crude, and I wanted to review that one as well with you. So the first trade was Crude. Let me remind you that to check the description, there is a promotion for Apex, and you can take advantage of it using the link below with the promo code that is over there too. Also join the Discord channel, and with that, let's get started. So Crude made a week out of the cloud. I'm sorry, week out of the moving average right here at the beginning of the open session. So Crude opens at 9 a.m. and then at 9:07 I gave the trigger for the entry, and I took that one there. Now the problem with this is, or the problem with me in this trade is that I started to look the smaller the smaller break. So instead of that one, I had, and instead of the 4, I had the 2 open. So let me show you what I did and why I took the trade off. So you see I should probably compare both. I'm gonna leave it there to make it not that complicated. But you see that in the lower breaks. Let me see. This one is 2,510. So you have a lot more noise. You get this move to the upside right when the market opened. Market opened right here at 9, right? So then you have a move down to the downside, and then it started to move up, down, very, very noisy all the way there. So I took the trade right there. Hopefully you can see. Let me expand this a little bit. I took the trade right here using the larger breaks, and then immediately started to go against me right here, and then moved up and then down, up, down, up. So it was not going anywhere for about half an hour, right? So what happened here is that if you see, there's a 9:30 market open, and sometimes you get a reaction to the other side, especially when you are moving with no momentum. Basically, momentum is kind of grinding here within the levels, but it was not going actually anywhere. But it was it was bullish on the price action. It was moving above the moving averages, but threatened to go down. So I got a little bit, skeptical on this move, and right at 9:30, 9:33, it since it didn't make any move to the upside, then I closed the trade, and I closed it for $30 loss on that one. So it was a scratch right there. So from this point to that point is it was a scratch, $30. Okay, so let's go back to the break size of 4. You can see here you have the tick trend for 1020, and in here you see that there was a nice move to the upside right there. And if you see the momentum when I took this trade right around this break right here, it was kind of moving to the upside. It was below the high end of the range on the 25 right there. So took the trade there. It went to target for $200 at least, and then but I took it off just because what I was just explained to you. Now then market it did go up all the way to $78 level right here, and then came back and had a reaction at $77 right there, and then moved up, down, up, and then broke finally the $77 and came back down. Now it's breaking the $76 now. So crude is having a negative reaction. Prior to the news tomorrow, I didn't make any money here, but there was some good opportunities if you took either one of these weeks. I mean, it's a good it's a good trending market below the pivot point. The pivot point is this blue line right here that you see there. Okay, so it's breaking down to 76 now. Right at S1, it keeps moving down. I'm not trading anything now, but it's definitely bearish. Now the other trade I took was an NQ. Let's review that trade. That one was a small trade as well. So you see that in the 30 minutes, which is right here. Right here, you see move to the upside. There was a gap, a break to the upside right there, and then started to come down. So I took the trade in the first move when it broke, and then this one is a week out of the moving average and week out of the cloud as well. So you see that it broke there, change of color right there, or change of or crossing of moving averages all the way right here, and then moved up, gave me a week, and I entered the trade right there for a nice $200 right there. So that is a small gain I made today, and I didn't trade any. So, but the market was failing at these highs, and then it started to move down. It keeps moving down, and now it's in the previous low from yesterday. So breaking all these levels to 12.3. 12 to 50, 12 to 100, and then moving even back down to 12,100 now. And I think that the market is going to go even more bearish by tomorrow. Tomorrow we have unemployment news at 8:30. So I'm gonna be watching that. And probably tomorrow is gonna be the last video I do for 2 weeks. I'm gonna be out until let's see, until maybe the 28th of this month. I'm gonna be traveling, so no videos for the next couple of weeks. Probably tomorrow and maybe Monday I will do something. Not sure yet. Remember, guys, that there's an 80% discount in Apex. So if you want to take advantage of it, use the promo code that I have listed in my in the description of this video. All right, so thank you so much for watching. And okay, so one thing I did make, what was it? 170, 170, $1,530 today. Very small. Okay, thank you so much for watching.